Technology moves fast. New phones launch every month, updates roll out every week, and rumors spread every day. In this fast-changing world, you need one place that keeps you informed, updated, and ahead of the crowd. Welcome to FixNexus, your hub for everything mobile and tech. Here at FixNexus, we bring you latest smartphone news, so you never miss an update. Hands-on reviews, clear, honest, and practical. Repair guides and tips, because we know accidents happen, and fixing your device shouldn't be stressful. Leaks and rumors, straight from trusted sources, so you know what's coming before it arrives. Our goal is simple: to make technology easier to understand and more exciting to explore. There are many tech channels out there, but FixNexus is built differently. We don't just show you specs, we explain how technology fits into your life. We don't just report rumors, we analyze what they mean for you. And when it comes to repairs and fixes, we focus on simple, easy-to-follow solutions that anyone can try at home. Here's what you can expect in upcoming videos: a complete breakdown of the latest iPhone and Android devices, how to choose the right phone for your needs and budget, secret features hidden inside Android and iOS that you probably didn't know, common mobile issues like battery drain or slow performance, and how to fix them quickly. And of course, coverage of the latest leaks and future tech innovations. FixNexus is not just a channel. It's a community of tech lovers, problem solvers, and curious minds. We value honesty, clarity, and connection. That means no unnecessary hype, no confusing jargon, just clear, useful, and enjoyable content. And the best part? We listen. Your comments, questions, and suggestions will help shape future videos. Together, we'll build a space where everyone can learn and share knowledge. So, if you are passionate about technology or just want to stay updated without the noise, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join us on this journey. Welcome to FixNexus, where technology connects with you.